Hello, my name is Federico. Today, I am going to talk about my professional plans in the fields of labor law. In the next few years, I will be focusing on strengthening my knowledge of labor regulation, social security, and workplace conflict resolution. By the end of next year, I will have completed several specialized courses in labor law, which will help my priority to better guidance of legal solution. In about 5 years, I will have achieved one of my most important goals, becoming a recognized labor lab specialist. During that period, I will be working with companies, unions, and employees, offering legal advice and negotiating fair agreements to protect labor rights. Later in my career, I have some plan to create my own labor law office. Will I developing this project? I will be managing legal case, preparing strategies, and representing clients in different labor disputes. By the time I reach these things, I will have built a solid professional career that reflects my commitment to fairness and legal integrity. To conclude, my future plans in labor law include continuous learning, gaining real case experiences, building a strong professional presence, at eventuality establishing my own practice. I am excited about the path ahead and the opportunities it will bring. Thank you for watching.